Good afternoon from Lanzarote, and I'm at another hotel to have a sneaky peek around and see somebody's room. Gary, Daniel and Sue got in touch and said, we're stopping at the Cordial Marina in Playa Blanca. Do you want to come and have a look at our room? Do you want to have a look around the hotel? And I said, yes, of course I do. But as always, I've got to take you lot with me. So come on, we're in Playa Blanca, we're near to the Marina Rubicon, and we're going to go and have a look at this place, which has recently been refurbished. It's called the Cordial Marina. Let's go take a look. Come on. So before I go and meet these guys and have a look at the room, I thought I'd have a wander around and show you the Cordial Marina. Just look at the reception. It's brand spanking new and super modern, and it overlooks the beautiful pool area. This is only a small place, but look how much space there is around the pool, and there are so many sunbeds as well. You're certainly not going to have a problem with reserving sunbeds here. I really like the artificial grass area where they put the sunbeds, and it contrasts against the blue of the pool, and I like the way all of the apartments overlook the pool or the beautiful Marina Rubicon. I tell you what, if you're looking for a place with views, this place has amazing views from all angles. Gary and Daniel are going to tell us all about the facilities at the Cordial Marina, including the restaurants, the food, where to get the food and how it all works. But this place is for those that just want to chill out and relax. If you're looking for a holiday where you want to escape it all and just sit around a pool, and all you need to worry about is how much oil and how much sun cream you put on to get that beautiful suntan, then this is certainly the place for you. It's quiet, it's comfortable and it's cozy, and it's situated slap bang in the middle of Marina Rubicon, right next to the Vulcan Hotel. With easy access to all the bars and restaurants in Marina Rubicon as well, very close to Papagayo Beach and a short walk from Playa Dorada Beach as well. It's perfectly located. There is so much for you to see and do in the Marina Rubicon, and the sea views here are just spectacular. If you want to venture further afield from Marina Rubicon, then literally 10 minutes to Playa Dorada, 20-25 minutes into the main town of Playa Blanca. So everything is pretty much on your doorstep. You've also got the Rubicon Shopping Centre next door, which has got a bowling alley, plenty of shops and a small supermarket. And of course, you've got incredible views over Playa Blanca as well, including the new Barcelo Papagayo Hotel, which is being built. So you can watch the progress of that, or you can check in on my videos, because I'm going to show you how great that hotel's going to be. We can't wait for that. Clean, modern and perfectly located. Let's go and meet Daniel and Gary and have a good old nose around one of the rooms at the Cordial Marina. Come on, let's go. Right then, here we are at the Cordial Marina, and Gary and Dan said they're in room 211, which looks like this one here. So let's give it a knock.
Welcome.
Hello mate, how are you? You alright?
I'm great, thank you. Yeah.
Fabulous, look at this. So you're going to show me around?
We are, yes.
Right, let's go. Right then, so here we are at the Cordial Marina, which once was called the Rubimar. So guys, introduce yourself, tell me who you are and where you're from.
I'm Daniel, I'm from Redditch. Yeah.
Redditch?
I'm Gary, Redditch.
Also from Redditch.
Yeah.
Gary and Daniel, right. So we are going to have a look around this beautiful apartment, I guess. Yeah. So here we are in the living area, and you've got a lovely sofa there. Is that a bed as well?
Yeah, pulls out, nice bed.
So is this where you're sleeping, Daniel?
Yeah, this is where I'm sleeping, yeah. Dad's got the room in there, but yeah, this is mine, got the kitchen.
Oh, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Right, so Gary, I see from the living room area, you've got the kitchen. So are you doing much cooking in here?
I think I've done some cornflakes, that's about it.
That's about it,
yeah.
just a little bit of breakfast.
Beans on toast.
Well, let's have a look, what we got. Show me what you've got in there.
Yeah, fine, so it's a basic kitchen, there's everything we need. We've obviously got a kettle, there's a toaster under there.
Yeah, little microwave as well.
Yeah, hot plate, microwave. We did the beans on sausages, didn't we? Posh coffee maker, which will probably never go anywhere near. Yeah, fridge freezer, we've got the ice creams and the Calippos in there. All the
It's quite nice though, isn't it?
yeah,
It's
it's everything you need.
Everything you need, but you're not doing much cooking, just breakfast.
Just breakfast, really. Yeah.
So we're going to have a little chat about self-catering in a bit. I see you got the telly behind you as well.
Yeah, that was useful the other day. We watched the Lionesses, didn't we? That was good. So
there you go. So you got English TV?
There's only Channel 4 and Channel 5, so that's all.
We don't want the BBC anyway, do we?
Yeah.
They don't pay the TV licence here.
No, so but no, it's just what we need. So yeah.
Perfect. So you've got a lovely place here to have breakfast as well, and I suppose it's good to have the TV on, and the views, they look fabulous. We're going to go and have a little look out there in a minute. I know you're keen to get out there, but I want to see what's in the other direction, because you've got the bathroom, the bedroom.
That's correct, yeah.
Right, let's go. So there's quite a good flow in here from sort of kitchen, living room, and then this is obviously leading in to the bedroom and the bathroom. So let me have a little sneak into this bathroom. This is super nice, isn't it? Super modern. Massive shower as well. And then you've got nice sink area here. Hairdryer.
Yeah, Mom's happy with that.
The wife's happy with that. So I see they give you some bits and bobs and some soap. Is it any good?
Absolutely fabulous. The shower gel's brilliant, isn't it? It needs a top up actually. Hopefully
Really?
she's done that today.
Well, there you go. Find out what brand it is. I
yeah,
might
very
send it
good.
back home. Let's have a look in this shower. And you've got some soap and shower gel in there as well. And a really quite modern shower as well. And it's massive. Fabulous. So to the right of me and the left of you is the master bedroom as well. So this is where you and Sue are.
It is, yes.
Right, let's have a little nose in here. Come on, take me in.
No, it's very nice, very comfortable. The bed's actually fantastic.
Wow, gee, look at the size of that.
It's better than Premier Inn. The
That
bed.
is
It's
massive,
fantastic.
isn't it?
Yeah, it's really
and it
good.
looks really comfortable
It
as
is.
well.
It's very good.
And then you've got a nice view out here. It's nice and bright, isn't it?
It
with
is.
with the sun coming in there. Little bit of artwork.
Yeah.
And then what about storage? Plenty of storage.
Lots of storage, excellent wardrobe, everything you need. We've got a safe, which is
And is there enough storage for like the three of you?
a little bit light on you, but you're living
yeah.
with a suitcase. Yeah, it's a good
well, there you
teenager,
go.
aren't you? So
And another TV as well.
Yep.
With the same
Yep.
channels?
same channels, Channel 4, Channel 5, and I think we've got BBC News,
That's
which
it.
is good.
That is all you need. And I like that it's really modern as well.
Yeah.
Now this place has literally not too long ago been done out. So it's really sort of, it's got that new
feels
smell, hasn't
fresh.
it?
It does.
It
is.
does feel
Nice and
really
clean,
nice.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And I like the sort of blue and white as well. It makes it really, really nice. That is gorgeous. Right then, I can see the sun coming through that window. So you've got a little balcony as well.
have, yes.
So let's go and have a look. You take me out.
There we go. After you.
Oh wow. Oh, that's lovely. And we get a good old view of the pool as well. Right, so usually we set out on this balcony, have a good old chat, but I tell you what, it's too hot and it's really cool in there. So should we go in there and have a little chat?
Yes.
You tell me all about your holiday.
We'll lead
Come
the
on,
way.
let's go. So here we are, we've had a look at the room at the Cordial Marina, and Gary and Daniel are going to tell us all about their holiday. Because you've been here before, no?
We have. This is my 9th trip to Lanzarote. Wow. And it's your 7th, well 8th, because you came when Mum was carrying you as a baby, but you don't remember that.
We're just literally in the middle of Marina Rubicon, so it's well located, but you're self-catering.
That's correct, yeah.
And do you always do self-catering?
This is our first time self-catering as a family.
Okay.
Myself and Sue, my wife, always used to do self-catering.
Yeah.
We've done Canaries, we've done Greece, we've done Cyprus, a few places. But when Daniel came along, we kind of got into the half-board.
It's just easier, isn't it, with kids?
Yeah, and it was great, all the mini disco and all that
Yeah.
kind of stuff. But this year we thought, no, we know Playa Blanca, we know Marina Rubicon, we know all the restaurants and places to eat. And we said, look, we'll go back to the self-catering.
Yeah.
And we can have some nice evening meals and just do what we please. And it's working really well, isn't it?
Well, that's it. I mean, now, how old are you, Daniel?
15.
So you're 15. So when I always say, like, hotels is great for little kids because they don't eat things, and you know, and at a hotel buffet, the kids can just grab what they want. If they leave it,
That's
don't
it.
they? So now you're at an age where it's a lot easier. So self-catering here, we had a look at the facilities. So you've got enough facilities sort of to keep you sort of cooking and stuff. But you said you've only sort of made sort of breakfast, cereal.
We've just kind of got up like this morning. We had a little bit of cereal,
Yeah.
a little bit of yogurt. You know, we shop at Hippodino.
Yeah.
We've got the crisps and the bottles of park.
Because there is a supermarket right next door, isn't there?
Yeah.
There is.
We've got the Fanta Limon as ever
Yeah,
that you've
yeah,
got to have,
yeah,
so
yeah.
we've got all that.
Self-catering wise for like for breakfast and lunch, you know, you can get all the fresh baguettes over there, can't you?
exactly.
And a little bit of meat, a little bit of ham, some crisps, so you can get that down, and then obviously go out for an evening meal. So price-wise, how have you found the difference in sort of price of eating out to sort of buying a package holiday? Has it made much difference, or is it about the same?
I think at the moment it's about the same. I've got a travel app card that I was tracking before you met us this morning.
Yeah.
And we're averaging around about 80 to 100 euros on it. So it is a little bit expensive, but it is nice food that we.
So 80 to 100 is sort of your evening meal,
seems
more
to be,
or less. Yeah.
That's probably, we're not big drinkers.
No.
So it might be just a couple of small beers and cokes. And we've done some lovely restaurants around the marina. We'll probably go back towards the town next week. It's Sue's birthday next week. So
fabulous. Happy birthday, Sue. She's down there sunbathing, by the way. If you're wondering where the famous Sue is, she's down there sunbathing. She don't want to be on camera, which is a woman's prerogative, isn't it?
And we tend to regularly, in the last few years, go to Asia Tico for Sue's birthday, so we'll probably be going there. And we've got a like a collection of photographs every year with Daniel, and you can see over the years he's
growing up in that restaurant. That's cool.
And we know the lady Lee will speak to her, and she goes, this year you've grown. So
fabulous.
Eventually you'll probably go there on your own with your friends, won't you?
Exactly. This is it. You see, when you start, people come on holiday as kids like you, Daniel. You'll probably, when you're older and got your own family, you'll come to Lanzarote. So. You know, once Lanzarote gets you by the balls. Once Lanzarote gets you, that's it. You're hooked, aren't you? But it is one of them places where you sort of keep coming back because it's quite. I find Lanzarote is quite a safe place for one.
Very much so.
Really safe, and it's just easy, isn't it? Whereas I don't know. Have you been to any of the other Canary Islands?
We've been to Tenerife, and I found Tenerife. We went as a family. And years prior, I'd been to Los Cristianos and Los Americas. And I felt it was very edgy. I was looking over my shoulder and holding my wallet.
I think it's a bigger place. There's more people, and obviously with more people, you're going to get more idiots, aren't you? So that's it. Whereas Lanzarote is quite small. So where we are now in the Cordial Marina, as I said, it's right next to Marina Rubicon. You've got like you said, the bowling alley. You've got a big shopping centre there as well. And I mean, I can see the pool from where we're sitting there, and it doesn't look too busy, but it looks blue and it looks beautiful.
Really nice.
So how have you found here at the Cordial? Is the pool, is there any entertainment here?
No. Literally, it's very scaled back. There's like no water polo stuff, which I suppose you don't mind, do you? Because you don't like having reps buzzing around and stuff.
I don't like being harassed by the reps when they come around, you know, you want to do this, do you want to do that? No, I'm on holiday, just leave me alone.
It's a bit of a shame.
You're just like me, but you would get involved in that.
Yeah, exactly. I'd get involved, a bit of water polo, a bit of darts, etc.
So do you miss that staying in sort of the this is a hotel, but this is, I think, what they call it, an apart hotel. So do you miss that sort of hotel feel?
I'd say a little bit.
Yeah.
But I've managed to drag you in the pool
every
time, more than usual. So I suppose,
So you prefer a little bit of entertainment, like the animation team and that.
Yeah.
And then on the evenings, is there any entertainment?
No. You go out and we've found places. There's the flagship bar.
Yeah.
They do live music. There's obviously loads of places around here. So,
but I suppose with a hotel for someone your age as well, you can meet other people your age. Is there anybody here like your age around?
Yeah, but it's hard to get conversation going, obviously, without that entertainment.
There you go. That's it. It's really interesting to speak to like people like yourselves and to sort of get that feel of holidays, that when people are this, shall we go there? And if you've got somebody that's like a teenager like Daniel and stuff like that, and you want to get that sort of interaction, because they bring everyone together, don't they? So while me and Dad are miserable sons, we don't want to be doing that. It's good for teens and stuff like that. And then you get chatting, and then there you go. It's a bit of a difference, isn't it?
The upside in the morning, there's no sunbed wars. It's just nice, quiet walk down. I've had no problem with that whatsoever.
No, because that is a problem. Well, it is in August. I think if you come like any other time, it's all right. But in peak season, sunbeds wars is terrible, and everybody blames the Germans, but it's not.
No.
It's the Brits.
Yep.
So, what other options have you got here at the Cordial? Because you're self-catering. Can you book bed and breakfast, lunch, or anything like that?
Bed and breakfast. lunches available, yes, which we've
available,
tried.
Yeah, they've got a small menu, get burgers, baguettes.
Oh, so you can buy food around the pool, but do you know when you were looking at the holiday if you could choose to sort of have bed and breakfast or half board or anything?
It was bed and breakfast or just board,
right?
And there is an option to buy breakfast on the day. So you can go down and say, we'll try breakfast, and it's the buffet breakfast.
Yeah.
So
have you tried it yet?
Not as yet. I think we've got that booked in for Mum's birthday. Haven't we?
Oh, there you go.
Obviously, run this after her birthday.
Well, we'll definitely run this after, don't you worry. So you've been out and about eating and drinking. I know you said earlier you tried Arabella's. You went for the Spice Indian that I did a video on. I see, there you go. Mr TravelOn's on it, you see. I do these videos and then you guys go and give it a try. Anywhere else that I might not have done that you've had a nice meal in?
We did the Italian last night, didn't we? Just over there.
Aphrodite's.
Oh yeah, is that good?
That was very nice pizza, yeah.
Yeah?
Very nice.
Yeah, I had the flambéed prawns in pesto sauce. That was to die for. That was lovely.
That sounds good.
Nice.
So you booked on for the sunset.
We are.
And that's a sunset cruise on the catamaran or the yellow boat?
The catamaran, we believe.
I'm not entirely sure.
I'll have a look at your booking and see where you booked on. But because you've been coming here quite a long time, have you done any of the other trips and tours and excursions and stuff like that?
Yeah, we did. So obviously, first time I probably come here, we did volcano.
The volcano. Yeah.
Really enjoyed that.
Did you like that?
Yeah. Last year we did the Rancho Texas.
That's
something we've always looked into, but never really.
That's fabulous.
Well, they've actually got 2 new slides at Rancho Texas, which I haven't even seen yet. So they've got 2 new slides. They've got like a toilet bowl, they call it, where you go around and plop out the bottom. And they've got like, not a lazy river, but I think it's like a walking one. So video on the way for that one. So all in all, you're happy with the place?
Absolutely fabulous. It's exceeded my expectations, to be honest. We came with an open mind, and it's a lot better than we thought. So
I think it looks lovely. It's very modern. The bed is huge and looks so comfortable as well. And you're on the sofa bed, Daniel, but is it comfortable?
That's done a lot more than I thought it would.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to be like lying on a prison floor, but it's all right.
It's not too bad. And you've got the air conditioning as well. It's super cool here, isn't it?
And Wi-Fi, so you're happy with your phone.
I'll just,
really?
Scroll through TikTok, following
there you go. He's a TikToker. It's like it sucks you in. The old TikTok does. It sucks you in and spits you out the other side. By the time you know it, you've been sat there an hour flicking through. But so you've got Wi-Fi here, the air conditioning. I mean, you've got literally everything you need, haven't you?
Everything we need, haven't we? Yeah.
That is fabulous.
Beach, sea, sun, can't go wrong.
Yeah, you can't. Right, so listen, guys. I know Sue's probably down there going, where are they? How long is this going to take? She'll be down there. But honestly, I really do appreciate your time today. It's really good to get a real feel for a Lanzarote holiday from people like yourselves, and especially people from my neck of the woods as well, with the same sort of voice and the same sort of accent. You know, you can't go wrong, can you?
Not at all.
But as always, and you know what's coming next, Mrs TravelON sends me down here and says, if they're showing you around, then you have to take him a present. I said, right, so Mrs TravelON has sent a little gift for you two. I didn't know that you were here, Daniel, because Dad didn't tell me. I thought it was just you and Sue. But being as Sue's down there, she'll have to share with Dad. So there you go.
Thank you.
Little present from Mrs
TravelON.
Get them open. Let's have a little look at them.
That's Sue's birthday.
Show everybody
that's
back.
Sue's birthday present sorted.
There you go. Fabulous. So there you go. You got your own TravelON mug. And any of you guys that want to buy one of these, you can actually buy them on the YouTube channel. So there you go. I've set that up. There's a company in England that'll send it to you with my mug on your mug, and I'll put a link below. You got a present for me? What is going on? No.
We know you're partial to a posh water.
I'm really thirsty as well, and I tell you what, it's my favourite water. This is because you know, as I always say in all the videos, I love a posh water, and you ain't getting much posher than the blue bottle one. This is what we call premium water in the TravelON household. Oh, it's just the best. Honestly, guys, that is fantastic. Thank you so much for showing me around. It has been an absolute pleasure. And from me, Mr TravelON, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. And if you want to show me around your accommodation, get in touch like these two did. So it's a goodbye from me.
Goodbye.
And it's goodbye from these two. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.